Hello, writers. Over the last couple days, you guys have been practicing developing your writing ideas, and yesterday you got to practice rehearsing. So, since we've been looking at those ideas, today we're going to take a look at ways that writers can use what they know to spell the best they can. I'm going to show you a strategy you can use in your own writing to help you spell challenging words or words that you don't know. First, you need to stop when you come across a word you're not sure how to spell. Then you need to think about what resources you have available to help digitally, WordWall, or a word study notebook. Since we are learning virtually, a digital might help. We need to use the resource and then add the correctly spelled word to your writing. So I'm writing this sentence. My friend and I were having a competition. I can't remember how to spell it. So I'm going to go look at my resources since I'm not working in the classroom. I have a ton of digitals that I can use. Let me show you. One resource I really like and I think you all can benefit from, especially being virtual, is a resource that you can find in our Union Hill Library website. So when you go to the Union Hill website, you click on Library. It's going to load. You're going to go down to Research. When it opens, it's going to open an assortment of resources we can use. But today I'm going to use Britannica School. When I open it, it's going to ask for a password and a username. If you need it, your teacher has it available. You click on Elementary. Then you can enter any word and it'll give you a dictionary version of it. So I'm not sure how to spell competition, so nothing's coming up. But if you look here, I tried my hardest and it came up, competition. So I can copy and paste it and see what comes up. Competition, so a struggle between two or more individuals. This is what I'm looking for. It tells me how to spell it. There's also a dictionary option that gives me, it's not spelled right, but there's a dictionary option that will give you the definition. So I corrected my spelling, and when I click on the dictionary version, it gives me multiple definitions. The act or process of competing, a contest between rivals or rivalry. So now that I have my word and how to spell it, I can go at it. So I followed my steps. I stopped because I couldn't remember how to spell my word. I thought about the resources I had, which were all on the Union Hill website. Then I used the spelling of my word from my digital dictionary. And then I finally added it to my sentence. So what you're going to do is practice this strategy and start by explaining how you can use the strategy to help you spell unknown words. You can find your activity in Schoology, and if you ever have a word, maybe ask your teacher and they can help you. That's another resource you can use. Good luck, writers.